every Friday on Hagley Park Road. It's definitely something you have to experience. And look out for Sanjay, he's always there. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. Adele says she needs a break. From music at least. The singer says she has no plans to release new music anytime soon and she's a little tired of being famous. Take a break, mama, but come back soon. Buju Banton lit up New York with a sold-out concert. It's his first time performing in the US since his 2011 Miami concert. This one was so good that he's planning another one and going on tour. Woo! Naro and Spice have reunited. A few sumpes ago, Spice had a few choice words for Naro as they prepared for an interview. But all that is water under the bridge as Spice apologized for her behavior. Now the two are besties. Popcorn charged a fee of $50,000 for persons to attend his 35th birthday party. Some fans think that is too much, but it is an all-inclusive event with high-profile guests and performances. So in some way, it's justified. And some persons say, "One would have paid that money there to see the foreign act them, so why complain?" And finally holding the spot this week, Noah and Janelle. Noah Lyles went on a podcast recently and told the world that his girlfriend, Jamaican athlete Janelle Bromfield, tells him everything that happens in the MVP camp, including who is injured and no other things. But why would she do that? And why would he throw her under the bus like that? Like, right before Olympics too? Come on, guys. So Janelle deletes her ex account but then posts on IG and TikTok that her haters don't pay for her first class flights, okay? But no matter what though, one Jamaica. Oh my goodness. Oh, such a messy mess. But I just hope that it does not affect our athletes, okay? Going and competing in the Olympics. One team Jamaica. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, we look back at our interview with Naiji Boy. Intense soon forward.